In this video, I'll show you how to remove or hide the Learn About This Picture shortcut on Windows 11. As you can see, there is no delete option for this shortcut. Method 1. Disable the Windows Spotlight theme to hide the shortcut. As you can see, the shortcut is gone. Method 2. If you want to keep the Windows Spotlight theme, you can still hide the shortcut. To do this, we'll edit the Windows registry. Navigate to the following registry key. Create a new D-word, 32-bit value. Name it as shown and set its value to 1. Restart Windows Explorer to apply the changes. As you can see, the shortcut is gone without disabling the Windows Spotlight theme. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.